To keep you updated on the capital and financial markets, here is a recap of what happened.
The mutual fund industry has urged the Securities and Exchange Board of India to tone down restrictive clauses in regulations governing asset management companies, seeking greater operational flexibility to expand globally and into allied businesses. Top MF houses have submitted their suggestions as part of SEBI's review of Regulation 24(b) of the Mutual Fund Regulations, which restricts AMCs from pursuing several non-core business activities. While SEBI floated a consultation paper in July proposing limited relaxations, fund houses have now sought broader amendments. Key relaxations sought by MFs include easing restrictions on AMC mergers and acquisitions, permitting wealth and custom portfolio management for high-net-worth clients, allowing cross-distribution of products from other AMCs, and enabling the launch of a wider bouquet of value-added services. Prime Minister Sitiveni Rabuka has encouraged the Unit Trust of Fiji to collaborate with government in addressing the nation's housing crisis. Speaking at the launch of UTOF Properties Pte Limited this evening, Rabuka urged closer collaboration with the Minister for Housing and the Housing Authority of Fiji. The potential for joint initiatives in mixed-use developments, affordable rental markets, and public housing infrastructure is significant, Rabuka said. Hong Kong is proposing to ease rules for mutual funds to lure more international asset managers to set up shop in the Chinese territory. Authorities plan to allow alternative risk models and permit private market asset funds to reach retail investors, among other proposed changes, according to a consultation paper released by the Securities and Futures Commission on the 22nd of October. The proposals are intended to align with international standards and ease compliance burdens to bring more European and US funds to Hong Kong, SFC Executive Director of Investment Products Christina Choi said at a press briefing this week. Choi is taking on a new role as head of corporate finance at the start of November, wrapping up a 2-decade tenure at the department. New Delhi, SEBI proposed to standardize the process for opening mutual fund folios and executing the first investment, aiming to ensure these folios are created only after verification. The proposal seeks to address issues arising from cases where folios are opened before the completion of Know Your Client verification by KYC registration agencies. SEBI has proposed that AMCs create folios only after receiving and verifying account opening documents as per the Know Your Client norms. The KYC documents will then be sent to KRAs for final verification, and the first investment will be permitted only after the KRA marks the folio as KYC compliant in its system, it said. The Securities Commission Malaysia has warned of a sharp increase in financial scams as public complaints and inquiries about unlicensed activities doubled over the past 5 years. In 2024, the SC recorded 3,602 complaints and inquiries, a 100% rise from 2020. For the first half of 2025 alone, it received 2,039 cases, an increase of about 51% compared to the same period last year. SC Chairman Dato Mohammed Fariz Azmi said the growing sophistication of scams, fueled by technology, requires Malaysians to be more vigilant. While the SC and other enforcement agencies are strengthening our detection and enforcement capabilities, the public must also play an active role in ensuring the legitimacy of investments. Hence, they ought to verify investment opportunities before committing, he said. FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its latest annual report, now available on its official website. Link in the description.
This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.